The Wise Old Owl and the Foolish Frogs. Once upon a time, in a lush green forest, there was a beautiful pond. This pond was home to many animals, including a wise old owl and a group of playful frogs. The owl was known for its wisdom and often helped the animals solve their problems. The frogs, on the other hand, loved to play and sometimes got into trouble because of their mischievous ways. One sunny day, the frogs played near the pond, hopping from one lily pad to another. They were having so much fun that they didn't notice a hungry fox lurking nearby. The fox watched the frogs and waited for the right moment to pounce. The owl, perched on a tree branch, saw the fox and quickly flew down to warn the frogs. "Be careful, my friends," the owl hooted. "There is danger nearby. A hungry fox is watching you, and he might catch you if you are not careful." But the frogs were too busy playing to listen. They laughed and said, "Oh, owl, you're always so serious. We just want to have fun. Don't worry about us." The owl tried to warn them again, but the frogs ignored the advice and continued their games. The fox saw his chance and leapt towards the frogs. Just as he was about to catch one, the owl swooped down and flapped its wings in front of the fox, startling him. The frogs finally realized the danger they were in and quickly jumped into the pond to safety. The fox, disappointed and hungry, slunk away into the forest. The owl turned to the frogs and said, "It's important to listen to advice, especially when it comes from someone who cares about your well-being. Being playful is good, but being wise and cautious is even better." The frogs nodded, grateful for the owl's help. They promised to be more attentive and to listen to the wise old owl's advice in the future. And so, the frogs learned an important lesson that day: always listen to those who care about you, for their wisdom can keep you safe.